Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Expresswash car wash membership. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to type this word like how to cancel Expresswash car wash membership on your any browser, and once you get result there is a option manage your membership portal Expresswash. Okay, when you select this option, like when you open this window in a new window, it will ask you a location. Select your store. The store is available in your location. You need to select your store. Okay, and once you select your store, it will redirect you on a new window. In this window you need to provide your email ID, your phone number, or you can say like you have to provide some details by which they can identify you. And once you provide your number or email ID, they will provide you a link or OTP, and then you need to enter your on dashboard, and you can cancel your membership by entering into your dashboard. So by using this way you can easily cancel your Expresswash car wash membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. But keep this thing in your mind when you try to cancel your membership, and please provide at least 7 days notice period. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.